What's up, everybody? I'm back with another unboxing. This time it's my favorite motor, the 250 SS Matte Black. Right in here, right now. So, here we go. There's our magic little deal right here. And as normal, you're going to see that it's got the normal stuff. Our favorite 250 SS book, my nemesis, fuel bulb, the super grommet that goes over that. Very crucial wire to make everything work right here, just so you know. Must put on. Everybody's favorite snap-on. No. Everybody's favorite Suzuki toolkit. Hardware, prop hardware, and a sack full of nuts or bolts and washers. That's what comes with it. And then this big, beautiful thing. There you have it. Phase 2 is now going to start. It's going to get loud and proud. Wah! Here we go! This fine little fella here, that works really good. Everybody ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at that beautiful machine. There she is. 250 SS Matte Black.
Where are you at right now with this?
I'm at Team Marine Service. Oh, this is coming off right here. Going over there in scrap pile, and this going on that TR-22. Going on. She's going on. Coming down to go on to the jack plate, which is an Atlas 10-inch HD heavy duty. Highly recommended when doing this to operate with the HD.
What are you doing right now?
I'm gonna cheat. Set these on here like this. Maybe it'll.
What are you doing now?
Taking the side call off.
Why?
So we can hook this machine up and have things that make you go vroom happen. Things that make you go vroom. One thing. Slide off. Leave.
What's the next step now?
Battery cables, auxiliary power cables, making sure that everything's hooked up here, tighten up the motor.
Tell me about this part and how much you like doing it.
This part here is not really my favorite part of the whole job, but the worst part is it's probably the most crucial.
we're doing next and how fun it is.
This right here, garbage. The worst part about it right here. Right here, not good. This is what keeps everybody happy and safe and comfortable.
Give me a little message to Suzuki.
Fix this. This needs to get fixed. Right here. One open tube, wide open, send stuff down. Not this, please. Thank you. It shouldn't be that way. Just put a open tube there so it all just sits in there.
Tell me why you're looking in the book right now.
I'm looking in the book to try to figure out where in the they want all this to go. All right, stop, cut it, quit the unboxing video. Hold it, hit the brakes, put it in reverse. We're starting over here. All right, Suzuki, I got one thing, maybe two, maybe three, maybe five by the time I get done with this. What in the hell are you thinking with the rubber when everything goes through, okay? There's a simple goddamn fix to this thing. When I gotta sit over there and fight this thing, A to B to C, to try to isolate where shit goes through, and I'm sweating, I shouldn't have to sweat to put the shit through the hole, okay? That shouldn't happen. It's pretty simple. We need a rubber, see this? Can you see what that looks like right there? Open, I can look through that with everything that goes through. Super easy, super quick. I like the rubber thing with the collar that goes on, but all the individual separating, piss me off, wanna pull out whatever hair I got left thing? No, not the deal. Fix it. So if you're listening, Suzuki, I understand what you're trying to do to isolate so doesn't get worn out. But trust me, time and time again, Mercury's got one that's like this big, and the shit just goes down through there. No problem, okay? That's what you need to do. Make it big and round, open, so we can just send the stuff through. Your throttle and shift cables hook up beautifully. They're not gonna go anywhere. Your fuel line, okay, it's gonna move around a little bit, but it's not gonna wear out. Just let it go. Go with this, so we can just send stuff through. Please? It'd be awesome. I mean, I've done these before every time. It's never fun. It's on. It's I'm gonna go out on a limb and just say that design right there is a piece of shit. They don't need that, if you know what I mean. Finally, I got it. Not the deal. We will talk later about this process. Directly centered towards Suzuki and kind of what they got going on down here. Over here, kit I gotta go get on stock.
What are you doing right now?
Water pressure gauge. There ain't gonna work. We're gonna have to go back here. What?
You love talons?
I do love them. So I'm gonna clean up back here, make sure everything's all nice and organized, tightened up. Make sure the dash is all functioning correctly, and we're gonna run her. Filling her up with oil. We're gonna put some water on to see if it goes. Neil? Boom! See? Neil didn't get the blah 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 part in, but he did get the boom! I'm gonna do something super special here that's gonna make your unboxing better than anybody else's. So we're gonna change the pickup screens, but not right now. Starts, runs, smooth.
Tell America what you're doing.
Put a prop on, right here. Finding the magic spot, you know what I mean? Boom, like that. Oh, beautiful. All right, just a quick tip for you at the end of this thing. The 250s in weeds, the SS seem to overheat. Tom, of course, has the 250 SS, but Tom drives through land sometimes. But he was complaining of overheating, so what we did is we played with the screen game, lower intake game. So we came up with the 300 offshore worked the best. So you can take your 250 screens out that come on the SS, and replace them with the 300 offshores. Not the cone shaped ones, the standard slide ones. Part number is 17631-98J00 and 17632-98J00. Those are your screens to fix your overheating in weeds. Right there. You'll be able to run through anything. Here's what it comes with. Here's what you change it to. You can see the difference. Way better. Especially for what we have up here. Definitely go to this one. Any of you guys, I would just switch to this one. You do not run out of water pressure with this one. You do not. Don't over tighten because you'll break it off on the back side. Just like that. We have Amsoil Miracle Wash. Gonna find a wipe down, making it look all shiny as it can be, being it's a matte finish. Boom, out the door. Thank you. Bye.